where the bruises on the soles of your feet. Well, who's to say if they're deserved, but you're turning reckless now. I hear you saying through your teeth that you'll take them down first, but I saw you flinch when the doctors got the claws in you. I saw your smile start to crack. It's not so funny when you're sunk, and there ain't nothing you can do, and your options are all dead ends. But there's no way out. I'll let you build your home with me till the clocks run down. When your luck's run out, call me and I will come and fix you. Get your feet on the ground. When there's no way out, call me and I will come and bury you, all safe and sound. All this time, you've been drifting out with the tide, my friend. But you can have what's mine if it helps you stay afloat. If I close my eyes, I can't watch you drown anymore, my friend. But I'll tell you lies if it helps you sleep at night. And the more we fight, the more we don't.